You can't figure it out.
He's never swam before, so.
Never been in the water before. That's too funny. What you think, Ruger? You like it? Old Dusty. He's like, this water tastes good. He likes the water, apparently. Ruger, what's wrong, bud? Oh.
Ruger. He's like, I don't know.
This is what I drink, but what am I doing?
He's like eating it.
You big old goofball.
Balance his thrown off.
Yeah, it's a little bit different.
Seems like screw y'all. Bet it feels good, huh, Ruger?
That feel good? Ruger, what you think? What you think, Ruger? Is that good? Is that good stuff? I'm drinking it and walking at the same time.
That means he'll probably go on herbivore.
Yeah?
Good boy.
Good boy, Ruger. Yeah, you're big stuff now. Big stuff. Good boy.
This is good.
That's too good.